Honorable viewers, welcome to my channel Department of English. Today I am going to discuss characteristics of communication. So let's start. Number 1, accurate message. The message of a communication must be clear, concise, and accurate. The information of an inaccurate message loses its credibility. The sender of the information also loses credibility. The effectiveness of the communication is accurate in terms of the content conveyed. Number 2, timely. The employees want to know what is going on in the external and internal environment of the organizations. The technology of the environment is more challenging than before for businesses to communicate with employees in a timely manner. It is also critical for the effectiveness of the business communication. Number 3, understanding. Effective communicators must understand to whom they are talking with. They must understand the style of communication. For example, people probably talk to the co-workers very differently than they talk to their boss. Number 4, empathy. Empathy means putting yourself in the other person's shoes. Effective communicators always see the situation of empathy from the perspective of the other person. It also includes the emotions that might be involved with the message. Number 5, effective listening. Effective listening is the method of hearing what other person is saying, the restatement of the message and repeating it back to the individual will let you know the understanding of their point accurately. It also shows that you care enough about their message to get it right the first time. Number 6, frequent. Effective businesses communication occurs frequently to ensure that has been received by all employees. It cannot be assumed that a message has been received by the receiver if it is sent for just on time. The employees leave, join the company and gets transferred from one role to another that requires new and updated information. Number 7, multi-channel. Effective businesses communication needs to be sent through multi-channels to ensure that it is received by employees in different settings. The businesses have a variety of channels to choose from, the traditional such as print, meetings, to the new technology, email, blogs, social media sites. Face-to-face. Face-to-face communication is still one of the most effective types of communication. It should be used whenever possible and practical. It is used in very large organizations which can be challenging. It may include video conferencing or the use of webinars. Number 9, two-way. Effective communication gives the opportunity for two-way communication to benefit employees and employers. The communication should be of two-way as employees need the opportunity to share their feedback, opinions, and thoughts with managers and employers. Number 10, asking for clarification when necessary. Effective communicators should not be afraid to ask for clarification if they don't understand the message. If anyone asks for clarification, it shows that he really cares about the person who is talking. It also ensures that the conversation has proceeded appropriately. Number 11, body language. The effective communicators should know how to tune into the non-verbal message. Body language makes up a large percentage of our messages. Make eye contact with the person you are talking to as much as possible when you are talking or speaking. The communicator should avoid the offensive body language like tossing hair and rolling eyes that might convey the lack of honesty. Number 12, a positive attitude. The effective communicators must work hard to keep their messages positive, as no one likes to listen to a complaint. Everyone should focus on what they can do for others instead of doing the things they feel difficult. The communicators must keep the message positive that may allow the other person to accept your no with grace. So, my dear viewers, that's all about today's topic. For the time being, thanks for your patience hearing.